Hi, I'm Kevin Falvey, Editor-in-Chief of Boating Magazine.
I'm Randy Vance, Editor-at-Large for Boating Magazine, and we're here on Lake X somewhere in Central Florida.
That's right, Randy. Lake X is where Mercury Marine has conducted testing and product development of outboard engines since 1957. It's their skunk works.
It's founded by Carl Kiekhaefer, and all the great history in this motor company has happened here. And they brought us here today. This is February 2nd. We're filming under embargo. They brought us here to show us a brand new series of V-6 3.4-liter outboard motors.
We had the opportunity to run them aboard a variety of boats, everything from pontoon boats to fine offshore boats like this Scout that we're aboard today. And these engines have some great features.
I'll tell you, the first thing you're going to notice that I really like, tap that, and you've got access to where you check your oil. Nobody checks their oil anymore because it's too difficult. It's as simple as pie right now. Here's another great thing on this motor. How difficult they can be to get the motor cover off. They've done it at the touch of a button. Let's come back here under this, pop that red button, pull that up, and then you can lift your motor straight off. It's the slickest thing we've seen. Goes back down the same way, and you're set to go. What other great features do we have on board, Kev?
Well, underway, Mercury's engineers sought to provide top-performing motors that delivered the torque characteristics that boaters need. And we can say, after having run a variety of boats with these engines today in both single and twin applications, that they met their goals. The engines take off like a shot, and even from the mid-range cruising RPM of 3,500 to 5,000 RPM, if you apply throttle, you better be holding on.
They're all digital throttle and shift, but they've designed the interface so that you can either rig these with mechanical controls from forward or electronic controls. What that means is it's great for the repower business, and you can also have the most modern controls all the way to the helm if that's what you like.
Another nice feature that I liked was the new alternator. It's 85 amps at full output, and it starts 20 amps at idle speed. And it senses if your boat is using too much amperage, the engine will automatically up the idle speed, which steeply ramps up the amperage output, ensuring that you have enough juice to run all the electronics and pumps that we like to run.
Imagine if you're running a 500 amp amplifier, radar, 2 large GPSs, and all that battery drain when you include your live wells on board. And now, at idle speed while you're trolling, you got all the throttle power that you need to run that amperage.
There's more about this motor that we can't tell you in this short video, so please check out the full story at boatingmag.com.
I got to tell one more thing.
Go ahead, Randy.
I'll tell you what I love. They have what they call active throttle management, ATM. When you put this boat in a turn at 3,400 RPM, the engine senses that turn. It knows it's going to load up, and it feeds that throttle in so that you can come clear through that turn at 3,400 RPM. The boat almost drives itself. I'm Randy Vance for Boating Magazine.
I'm Kevin Falvey. Check out the full story at boatingmag.com.